Hey guys, what's up? So, this is my dad's toolbox. It's, oh gosh, 20, 30 years old. It's an old one. It's an old Craftsman. You can read that. But, I don't know what the hell that is. A stain of some sort. I basically cleaned it out and vacuumed it out the best I can. Looks pretty decent for what I'm gonna use it for. I got a new job and it requires a toolbox and tools, and of course we're gonna have problems with this drawer. Maybe I shouldn't use it when I go to work, just lock it up or something. I found the key for it, but it does not latch. I'm guessing because of the hole. Oh well. Here's all the shit that came out of it. I'm talking this box, that box, that box. This angle thing for wood was on there. This shit was in it. That power steering was on top of it. Now I don't know what it is. Ugh. I don't know what is in. I don't know what is in this, because I did empty it before I used it. So wow. a lot of crap. But yeah, it's been sitting here for, you know, a good portion of my life. We moved in this house in like 99 or 2000. Here it is, 2019, so it's been sitting in this spot. I'm not taking this box, just this. It's been sitting in this hot spot for 19, 20 years, whatever, you know. That's the top. It's all dirty. Tried washing it, but, you know, that ain't gonna work. And whatever's back here, you know. Fuck. Oh my god, I can see the spider webs. Holy shit. Well, I got some cleaning to do. Well, let's move it and clean this shit out of it. I wish it wasn't winter, because I'd rinse it with the hose. But I don't get that option. Which is okay, I guess. So, that is what, this actually came off the back. So it's outside right now. But this is what's been sitting under it for God knows how long. Where the fuck that is. Some kind of mold or something. Jeez. So that's a Craftsman. This is a Kennedy or something. It's a roller cabinet. It's got wheels and shit. But this is what the back looks like. Dirt, 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 and stains. So, yeah. And we got more snow. Lots of it. But oh well. So, clean it up and put it in the back here with all my other junk, you know, extension cord, which I don't know why is still in there. But anyway, I will make another video on where I will be working at in an upcoming video. I'm not going to tell you where I'm working yet, because I don't know if I'm going to be there very long or what. It's like a 3 or 4 month trial to see how good I am. I will be working on cars though. So anyway, I'll let you guys know in an upcoming video on where I am and how I like it. Take care.